and I was talking to the customer care executive, and meanwhile the delivery person just did this. He hit me, left me bleeding here and ran off.
2 days after a Bangalore woman alleged she was attacked by a Zomato delivery agent, the accused man Kamraj says he was beaten with shoes and abuse were hurled at him. Zomato says it is supporting both pending investigations and wants both sides of the story to come to light. Hitesha Chandrani, a content creator, leading up to the incident, she had been on the phone constantly with Zomato's customer service over her delayed food order. The moment I asked him whether Zomato had told him anything about cancelling the order or waiving the charges, he was very rude. He said, "Ma'am, I have no idea, please don't waste my time, give me my money and let me go." Ms. Chandrani said she then told Zomato's customer care that the man was shouting at her. She alleged that when he shouted, she tried to shut the door, but he reached in and grabbed the order and left, she claimed. Now Mr. Kamraj was arrested and released on bail. Speaking to NDTV, he denied striking the woman and claimed it was she who had verbally abused him, thrown shoes at him and accidentally hurt herself. He said, "She started abusing me. There was a slipper stand near the door. She took chappals and started beating me. I was totally shocked. For my safety, I hit her hand. She was wearing a ring. That ring hit her nose and then the injury happened. I didn't punch her. I was totally scared, so I left the place." He said she followed him and kept hitting him, forcing him to take the stairs and run to the 3rd floor. Ms. Chandrani said she never started with the abuses. "It was my reaction out of fear. I panicked. It was in the heat of the moment. It was not intentional," she told us.
He hit me, left me bleeding here and ran off. Just did this. He hit me, left me bleeding here and ran off. Please share this video with everyone. Guys, let me tell you the story, the entire story. I ordered food from Zomato because I was working since morning, and then I ordered around 3:30, which was supposed to get delivered by 4:30, and I did not get my order on time. So I was constantly, following up with Zomato team, like either give me a free delivery for the same or just cancel the order, because this is not the thing. You promise something and you deliver something else. So that thing happened, and then the Zomato delivery guy came here. What he did was, he was so rude. He was so freaking rude. And because I have sushi with me, so I usually don't open my full door, so I was just talking him through a small slit from my door, and I just told him, "Bhaiya, you wait, because I need to check with the team. Either they'll make it free or I don't want the order." And I already gave him the choice, like, I don't need the order, so you just take it, I am okay. But he refused to take the order back, and then again he started screaming at me, "Bloody, I'm your slave or what? You are asking me to wait for such a long time, what the hell?" And so it was really threatening for me, and I got scared and I tried shutting my door so that, he could not harm me. But before that, he pushed the door, and he was so huge. He pushed the door and he just snatched the order from my table. That is, he entered my house, and then he punched me on my face so that I don't get back to him, and he ran away. And sadly, nobody in this premises care to hear anything happening. Nobody responds to any such thing happening. And being a single girl staying, it is so dramatic. Like, people do not come up where it says it is a major damage which has happened to me. And you guys know me, like, I being an influencer and face for you guys. If this gets ruined for me, I don't know what next stands there for me. But I would love if you guys really support and share this video as much as possible, so that this does not happen to anybody out there. And thank you so much.